Hello! This laboratory will observe the histology slice of muscle tissue. Objectives: identify the light microscopic structures of 3 types of muscle tissue, including skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. In the first slide, skeletal muscle, obtained from the section skeletal muscle. Every strip-like structure is the longitudinal section of a skeletal muscle fiber. Muscle fibers are elongated cells grouped into fascicles. Each muscle fiber displays a cross-bonded pattern along its length. Flattened nuclei, yellow arrow indicate, are located directly under the sarcolemma of each cell, and the longitudinal axis of the nucleus is parallel to that of the muscle fiber. Light and dark cross striation can be seen along the muscle fibers, which are formed by the periodic arrangement of the light and dark band of male fibrils at the same plane. In the cross-section of skeletal muscle, part of several muscle fibers are rounded to pleomorphic cells with oval located nuclei. Yellow arrows indicate. Eosinophilic staining characteristics and punctate appearance are due to the contractile proteins. The surrounding endomysium contains a capillaries or small blood vessel. The second slide is cardiac muscle. The heart is composed of cardiac muscle. Myocardium is muscle layers of the heart. Thus, the medial is composed of iliac muscle. In the longitudinal section of cardiac muscle fibers are branched and contain a single centrally placed nucleus. Yellow arrow indicate. In some cells, lipofuscin pigment is concentrated on the nuclear poles. The cells are eosinophilic and process cross-striation. Cells are linked by intercalated discs, green arrow indicate, which appear as dark, jagged cross-lines between the cells or their branches. Numerous capillaries, blue arrow indicate, in surrounding connective tissue form an extensive, branching network. Lying close to the muscle fibers, many capillaries can be identified by erythrocyte contact. In the cross-section of cardiac muscle, the irregular-shaped cardiac muscle cells are grouped in bundles and surrounded by richly vascularized connective tissue, green arrow indicates. When in the plane of section, nuclei, yellow arrow indicates, occupy a central position in the cell. There are numerous pink dots surrounding the nucleus. It's the cross-section of male fibrils. The third slide is intercalated disc, obtained from the section of heart. The specimen is stained blue. In longitudinal section, you can find some deeply stained cross lines which show straight line or appear as an irregular stepwise line. These cross lines are intercalated discs, which are the connecting structure of 2 adjacent cells. The last slide, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is found in the wall of the hollow internal organ, such as blood vessel, bladder, and uterus. Longitudinal and cross-section profiles of smooth muscle cells show their characteristic appearance. Smooth muscle is composed of spindle-shaped cells. There is also a centrally placed nucleus because of staggered arrangement of the cell. The cross-sectional profiles vary in size, and only the largest profiles contain section of nuclei. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your listening.